Huh?
I cried.
That's my new truck right there.
No, what is it?
Yes, it is.
No, what is it?
Belle, what are you doing? What are you looking for? Huh?
I cried.
That's my new truck right there. Walk over here to it then.
No, where's the car?
Well, that's it.
Stop, where?
Come on, that's my truck, bro.
No, I want that.
Why is that not believable? This is it, bro. It's a new whip. Huh?
No, where is the car?
Bro, get your... You thought I was playing.
No!
Get in there. Get in. Get in there. Get in. Here. Watch out. Get in. I'm serious. Let's go. Hold on, I gotta get in first because that door's broke. Come on. I thought you was gonna be happy for me. Huh? Get your butt in here and buckle. It's not trashy. Watch out, that door's a little rusty. You gotta put some elbow grease in it. Do it harder. There it is. Whoa. There's nothing wrong with this truck. I thought you was gonna be happy for me. I got a new truck. You're moving in with your mom because I got a new car?
Yes, that's why.
What? Are you serious? About my damn...